So today we're looking at text image generators and the type of different images. So it takes a lot of time to develop your skill set for your prompts. So prompts are writing in text and that text generates an image. So I'm kind of trying to show some different ways of how a prompt operates. So I've written in the prompt box the text, generate a YouTube thumbnail image which with a real photo of an Asian woman. I presume they won't give out to me for incorrect grammar. In her 50s as CEO of a tech company, and I can generate that for free. So this is trying to get you to understand how you can generate different types of images. So we could also look at creating an image with a different description, but the same kind of components to it. So a portrait of perhaps, or an illustration of, or a sketch of. Now, Neural.love is quite good, but you can see it takes a lot longer to generate the images than if you're using DALL-E 3. I'm trying to be more specific in the text and saying, that it's an Asian woman as opposed to just saying a female. I'm trying to give an age demographic and also their profession. But you can see from this that it really does take a lot of time. I think for doing examples, we might be looking at DALL-E 3 because you couldn't be waiting this long to create the image. Having said that, some of the images that it has generated in the past are pretty good. So that's not bad at all, actually. I just want to see if we can, so we get to, so you click preview, and when you click preview, it goes to another image. Now, I think the first one is more realistic. The second one looks very AI orientated. And then we're going to say a real photo, and we're going to do a portrait of, and we'll see how that works in comparison. So of an Asian woman. So it's trying to kind of demonstrate. I wish I'd taken screen grabs of the even previous ones. It just shows you that you need to do. Actually, sorry, they are down below. That's okay. So just kind of showing you the different ways you can develop your images if you're not happy with them. I think the first one is okay. Always look at the hands. It's a very good indicator if they're AI generated, if it doesn't look very particularly realistic. I think she had too many fingers there actually looking at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. She seems to have another finger behind, so we're not quite there yet. So now you can see the difference if we put in a portrait image. So these are our two versions with portrait. Hands are much better on that one, and that definitely looks realistic. She has no wrinkles though, but maybe she has a lot of Botox, who knows. And then looking at the kind of last version, instead of a real photo, we're going to try a sketch. So it's trying to show you all the different versions of generative AI text image generators, and it really relates to your prompt and how you have to improve your prompt to get the type of images that you want. So I'm not sure which one draws in the eye enough. Weirdly enough, I think that one probably looks best. You can improve your prompts as well. You can refine them. So we might have done that, but I wanted to start from fresh on all of them. And all of these are YouTube thumbnail size. So, I mean, it's an amazing ability, and that's the illustrative version. So I think that's just a really good demonstration of, and that actually might draw in someone's eye in regard to a thumbnail, because it's quite iconic in regard to the red draws your eye in. So that's kind of giving you a very initial look at how we create images using a text image generator, and it's an extraordinarily good tool. So that's Neural.love. We'll look at other ones as well, but trying to develop